with an employment rate of 4% in Aruba, which is like very low compared to other countries and regions. And yeah, with all the rooms that are in construction and are coming up, and we're talking about short term, we're talking about within 3 years, we're seeing more than 4,000 extra rooms coming up. And then we make a calculation and we see that, around per room we need around 2 people. So that means we need 8,000 people. And long term it will be around 16,000 people, because it's not only people that are working in the hotels, but it's as well the whole infrastructure around that. So based on our calculations and our sources like the Central Bank of Aruba, we see that in a few years we need around 16,000 extra people working. And then with this low employment percentage, we see a very big problem coming up. And this is something that we of course found out through a survey that we did, that we spread out among all the companies on the island. We from the chamber, we have a lot of periodically scheduled meetings with the government, different ministers. So we sat with Geoffrey Wever, we sat with Glembert, with Evelien. We addressed these issues. We don't think it's only one minister that has to fix this. We think it's the whole government, because in the end it involves the whole island. We don't think it's one solution. We don't think it's for example, that's one of the things that was in the media, like legalizing just the undocumented people that we have on the island. We think that you have to look at the whole scale and look at it from a very broad perspective, because 16,000 people, that's a lot that we need now. And so we came up with over 20 solutions, because we want to make it the government as easy as possible as well, as in that they can just basically copy paste it, implement it, and we can continue from having a clear job board on Aruba with all job opportunities to basically legalizing the undocumented ones, people that we have on the island, to connecting better with the Aruban students that we have abroad, because we have a lot of Aruban students in the States and in Holland. How do we connect with them? How can we make them come back to the island, and stay connected with them? And everything in between. So we came up with a lot of different solutions around this.